Create healthy habits. If you make the right choices today, you can ward off problems tomorrow. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss every day. Don't smoke. Limit your alcohol. Keep it to 1 drink a day. If you have medication, take it exactly how your doctor prescribed it. Improve your sleep. Aim for 8 hours. If you have trouble getting shut-eye, talk to your doctor. Use sunscreen and stay out of the sun from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Wear your seatbelt. Take time every day to invest in your health, Meng says.